Go.
Is it going?
Yes.
Oh. Okay. Just kidding. Alright. Once upon a time, there is a big skate park. Whoa. I'm sorry. I'm kind of mad at myself. I'm sorry. I don't know. I don't know what's gotten into me. Okay. Anyway, there's this big skate park. And this tiny little boy, don't make it, decided to sniff the flowers. And then he went, "Oh my! I think that I hear my mom calling me." So the little boy ran. He ran. It turns out his mom had planned a big surprise dance at his house. So the little boy said, "Oh my, Mom! You're so nice!" And he gave her a big hug. And he boogied. Boogie, boogie, boogie. Boogie. And then his mom said, "Jimmy?" That's his name, right? Anyway, it doesn't matter what his name was. His mom was so drunk, she couldn't remember his name. So she said Jimmy, or Francois, or Alfonso, whatever your name is. I'm drunk. And she said, "Can you get the hair out of my mouth?" This side too. She said, I do not think you should be out so late dancing with your drunk mama." And then, whoa, what are you doing? And then he got pregnant. I pregnantized.
Ooh, you feel like you have crap cleavage. Okay, continue on.
Okay, forget all that. Just count it. Yeah. So then,
Go ahead.
what was it? Special Ed walked in.
Oh,
Special
Special
Fred.
Ed.
Fred.
Ah!
Fred.
Special Fred. Ed. He's a special. If you know what I mean. He's real special. He just not right in the head. He danced. But then he just started hitting himself. Ow. And then he died. The end.